nice and neat. Table time is such a treat. Pull your chair and sit just right. Manners make our day so bright. Napkin on your lap, we say, eating tidy every day. Wait, 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 calm and slow. Good manners help us grow. Please, 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 magic word, kindness always should be heard. Thank you, big and clear. Polite words bring lots of cheer. Scoop, 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 not too fast. Eating gently makes it last. Chew, 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 mouth stays closed. Good table manners we have chose. Wipe your mouth so clean and bright. Tidy habits feel so right. Sip, 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 slow and neat. Drinking water feels so sweet. Sit up tall, don't lean or play. Eating nicely every day. Share, 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 caring heart. Kindness is a work of art. Sharing makes our hearts feel glad. Best manners we have had. Laugh so soft and voices low. Table time is calm, you know. All done now, plate so clean. Eating manners fit for a queen.
Thank you words we say again. Polite kids are the best, amen.
Carry plates with gentle care. Helping hands are always fair. Look how tidy, look how neat. Manners make us super sweet. Bye-bye friends, remember this. Good table manners